Hello, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you here from the beautiful, beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, it is so gorgeous here in the Sunshine State. Very, very beautiful. And I can show you. I'm still at the hospital and my husband is in there. So I'm just heading home to see Mama a little bit and we'll be coming back here to see my husband, but it is beautiful. My husband is doing well. Chances are he might get out there tomorrow. Just talk with the doctor, so I said okay, that's good news. So folks, here's the deal. My husband is in the hospital, but what I'm trying to say is that thank God for my home-based business. Okay. Thank God for my home-based business, even though my husband is in the hospital and I stayed in the hospital with him. It's gonna be 8 days now. And guess what? Even though I am in there for 8 days with my husband, my business is still doing well. Amazingly well. Okay, so that's the beauty. See, that's the beauty of having a home-based business. That is the beauty. So folks, if you'd like to know what exactly I am doing from the comfort of my home, as a matter of fact, from the comfort of the hospital, you need to hook up with me. Okay, my number is 352-805-9846. You can call me. Texting is better. I just had somebody sign up last night. I was in there, and folks, the money is great. You make anywhere from $25 to $500. Very simple, business. And also my other one is that you can make anywhere from $65 to up to $2,000. And this is unlimited, folks. It's a one-time. So I'm gonna drop all the links of the businesses that I'm doing, and you definitely you definitely need to check it out. See, this is my Sharon. And again, this is Sharon and Rain coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State, folks. Yes, you can go to fastcashwithsharon.com and also createwealthwithsharon.com. All right, and then my other one is in newbies. I will drop the link, okay, for the other one. So folks, until then, please hit the bell so that you will be notified when I do a video or when I share something. And also, if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, folks. Again, let me tell you, folks, this is amazing. That's the reason why, those of you who do not have a home-based business, who are not doing a side hustle, you need to do that, because you'd never know. Having your own business, be your own boss, this is what the benefits that, for example, you can be with your loved ones. I'm with my husband for 8 days. He's gonna come out there tomorrow. Thank God. So folks, again, Sharon and Rain, peace out. Take care. Until my next video. Bye for now.